Today, I feel like making an ice dancer beat. This is a great example of why you may not need to fork out money to buy a new plugin. I don't really know why I actually did this. I just kind of reached for this utility first. This is like an effect that you can use in like Gross Beat or Rhythmizer or even Shaperbox. Those plugins definitely come with efficiency and are easy to use. Definitely great tools to speed up your workflow. But I just think if you spend a little bit of time thinking about what you're gonna do, you can definitely make your own presets using stock plugins in your own DAW. I just automated this volume, selected the utility and hit Control G, which turned this into a group. And you can go down to this little button here and it will extend it to like multiple channels. So you can duplicate this channel by hitting Control D. And now you have two different channels. I just named the first one wet and the second one dry. I'm going to delete the utility off the dry signal. So essentially, if I turn down this wet signal with the utility, it's just literally the dry signal. And vice versa, if I turn down the dry signal and turn up the wet. So now I can just use these to balance the signal to my taste. And I've just made a Gross Beat preset for free. If I want to take it one step further, I can hit this like little memory card button, Gross Beat volume automation, and then hit enter. So that will be saved in my presets now under audio effect rack. And I can just literally click it in and it'll be ready to use on whatever beat that I make. I think I'm gonna change out this guitar. Feels like it's lacking something. I might switch to the System 8. That's it for the whole beat. I'll play it back for you. Let me know in the comments whether you think I did it justice or not, or whether it's just trash, but maybe that's good. I don't know. Starting out with a Nexus, but I wasn't really feeling it, so we went to the System 8. You just can't go wrong with the System 8. Everyone knows. This is the Ice Dancer plugin, so I think this project obviously shows off how important sound effects are as well, just for like creating transitions to the next section. As always, this project file will be up on my Patreon, so go and check that out. It's a really great way to support me if you love watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.